Hello everyone, I am Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, giving you a closer look at the axle bearing carrier coming from Tusk. All right, today we're giving you a closer look at this axle bearing carrier coming from Tusk. If the axle bearing carrier or your bearings are worn out on your ATV and it's time to replace those, this will save you a whole lot of time and a whole lot of money. Now, if you're not quite sure when or how to know when you should be replacing your axle bearings, there's a couple of things you can do to find out. One, if you spin your axle and it doesn't really spin freely, or if it's seized up, it really doesn't spin at all, or if you lift up on the back of your machine and you can feel some free play in there, very good indicators that it's time to replace your axle bearings. Now, here's what's so awesome about this unit. For about 50 bucks, you get the entire bearing carrier. This is made from billet aluminum, so it's super strong. It's gonna be stronger than your OEM bearing carrier, and it comes with all the bearings and seals already installed. So once you get this, all you have to do is just remove your stock bearing carrier, install this one, and you are good to go. And at that price point, for about 50 bucks, that is cheaper than what it costs for most machines to just replace the OEM seals and bearings. So you're getting a whole lot of bang for your buck here. Now, if you've never installed your bearings before, or replace the bearing carrier, we actually have a great how-to video that shows you step-by-step how to do that. So watch that video if you're not quite sure. And in that video, we explain all the tools that will be necessary for the job. Last little feature I do want to point that I like about this, you'll notice you have a grease Zerk fitting here. So when it comes to maintenance, you want to make sure that you're keeping enough grease in this at all times. So this Zerk fitting will make it very easy just to attach your grease gun, pump some grease in there, and make sure that's going to stay up to date. Now, lastly, once you pick up your bearing carrier, when the point comes that you need to replace the bearings again, we do offer replacement kits. You don't have to replace the whole unit every time. The bearing kits, again, super good price point on these. So you can always pick one of those up and just replace the bearings and seals if needed. Now, to pick yours up, it is really simple. Just click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Orders over 75 bucks, ship free. And remember, these are machine specific, so when you're picking yours up, just be sure to enter the make, the model, and the year of your ATV to ensure that you do get the proper fitment. Also at RockyMountainATVMC.com, we got a whole lot of great aftermarket parts and accessories for a lot of different ATVs. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain. We'll see you on the trails.